Hello, I'm CJ Yin. This is a quick video to show how to remove text from image in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. I press Alt and scroll middle mouse button to fill it. Fill the text only. Next, we can make selection for the text, and we can go to Use Magic Wand to make a selection. I press Shift to add selection, something like this. And then we can make selection larger. So we can go to Select and Modify and expand it. I expand it to 5 and press OK. And I want to add a bit, so I go to use lasso tool and add a bit. Yeah. Make sure that all the tests are selected and the area outside the test are also selected. Next, we can go to Window and Contextual taskbar, and we can find Removed. Click it and wait a moment. So after generating, we can remove the text. We can see before and after. So this is how we can remove text from image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.